Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, what do I mean by live? This is not a situation where I've already recorded everything and now I'm coming back and doing a trade recap or some sort of voiceover, post commentary. Nothing like that. I'm recording myself, seeing the information live for the very first time. So if you want raw thoughts, raw emotions, raw reactions, you will get that here. But to be respectful of your time, if you are in search of a nicely edited, nicely scripted video, you're not going to get that here. But if you just want a nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader, how day trading can play out, then you will find that with this video. Market opens up here in less than 10 minutes, so I will go ahead and pause for now and see it back. Actually, let me set up a little context. I am actually doing a little traveling today, so I want to be done relatively quickly. 10 minutes would be great. 15 minutes, fine. But yeah, I got about 10 to 15 minutes, which may not sound like a lot of time, but when you see good stocks, when you see good, setups and such, which it's looking like this morning has the quality, hence the video. I have no problem saying I'm recording now because I think I have the potential to make an awesome YouTube video. Now, for those of you familiar with the channel, you know that they don't always turn out that way. Sometimes it'll be a losing video or something where maybe it's not nearly as good as what I think it is. But in this situation, I think there's a lot of good potential out there to make a good profitable trade. And like I said, if I can be done in 10 minutes, if I could be done in 5 minutes, that would be awesome. But like I said, 15 minutes to the high end, because like I said, I do, I have some other things on the agenda to do, but this, in my mind, will do a good job of illustrating how trading can be such a good side hustle, because you don't need a bunch of time for it, and you can still walk away with, at least for me, worthwhile gains as far as time input is concerned. So I will go ahead and pause, and I'll see you back at the open. All right, I've put this green line in place before the market opens at 146. I feel as though that's going to be a very interesting level here during the opening part of the day. Could be totally wrong. Maybe it doesn't come into play at all. But 146, got the green line in place, and I'll be curious to see. Actually, let me make that a little bit skinnier. I'll be very curious to see if that does indeed come into play, but just wanted to get that documented right now just to show that, technical analysis and technical trading, what I'm doing here, it can work out and be pretty cool. And the market just opened. I move my order down to 1. Look at that green line. Look where it basically bounced off of right there. See that? Look at that. Did it hit it? Exactly. The low was 146.53. But hopefully we can agree. Pretty close there. But now a bounce up here, so I am short biased and looking for some sort of potential sign of weakness to get short on here. So just going to let this play out here. What is that low? 149.85. 149.85. I like 149.85 here. In there at 150. 150.19. Looking for this thing to get the break down below 150. There we go. Ooh. Come on now. There we go. Well, that was a very weak break. Would like to see it get down below that yellow line there, which is the VWAP. There we go. Just scaling out now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I'm out there for Oh, great. I got to make another trade. I'm up 699. I wanted to be up 700. No, I'm just kidding. So there we go. And it is 9:32 a.m. And like I said, I like the setups out there. And look at this. Look right where it's pausing again. That green line. Will it bounce or will it finally plunge through? Look at that. Notice how it just stopped right there. And it's trying to bounce. Now, just because there's a line out there doesn't mean that it's for sure, anything is for sure going to happen. But notice, look at that. Think about it. This thing was just going straight down. And now look where it happens to just start to go sideways. Now, it may keep going down. That's very true. But notice how where it just all of a sudden just stopped. Look at that. Right at that green line. And I have not moved that. You saw me put that in place. And I'm not patting myself on the back. So I want to be very clear. I'm not trying to sit here and make it sound like I'm some sort of, like this is some sort of great talent on my part or I discovered something. No, this is just the power of technical analysis, the power of technical charts. Our charts are, look at it bouncing right there. Are charts perfect? Absolutely not. Nothing's perfect. Are they a worthwhile tool? Are they something that I believe should be learned and put in your trader tool belt? Absolutely. And you see an example of that right here. But there we go. I was hoping for 5 minutes. I actually got done in 2 minutes. Even had time to bake in a little learning lesson there. But that's all I'm doing. I am going to hit the road. And like I said, from a side hustle perspective, $699 in literally 2 minutes. I will take it. But before I do go, one request on my part. If you do enjoy these live videos, they're not the easiest to make because they are truly live. So I have to talk to you. I have to think what I'm going to say to you. I have to think for myself, right? I have to execute my trades. Over here, I'm making alerts in the chat room. So I'm typing these up. And you can see right there, I alerted at the beginning, mRNA 146, interesting level. And then right there, mRNA dead cat, meaning, is that a just fake bounce to the upside? And yeah, that was absolutely a fake bounce to the upside as it rolled back over. But the point here being, there's a lot going on. And while these videos are possible, they're just not the easiest to make. And I will keep making them. I just want to make sure that it's a good use of my time. So if you do enjoy these live trade videos, 2 things to do that communicates it to me. Hit that like button and then also leave a comment below, even if it's just a little unicorn emoji, diamond hands emoji, any emoji, or just simply hit a period. But hitting that like button and then leaving a simple comment down below communicates to me that you do enjoy these videos. Like I said, as long as I know that there's enjoyment, then I will keep on doing them. So that's all I have here. Very, very quick morning, the 2-minute workday, $700. I'll take it. Everybody take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.